This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord sun visor. Start by gathering a replacement visor, a screwdriver set, and a trim tool. Park the car on level ground and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid airbags deploying accidentally. Remove any covers around the visor mount and keep screws in a small container. Work slowly to avoid scratching the headliner and test the new visor for smooth movement before reassembling. Begin removal by folding the visor down and finding the small plastic cover that hides the mounting screws. Use a trim tool to gently pry away the cover so you don't mark the headliner or trim. With a screwdriver, remove the mounting screws while supporting the visor so it doesn't fall. If the visor has a light, unplug the small connector by pressing the tab and sliding it free before fully removing the old visor assembly. Align the replacement sun visor by fitting its bracket over the mounting holes and reconnect any wiring for illuminated visors first. Hand thread the screws to ensure correct alignment and prevent cross-threading, then tighten them snugly without over-tightening, which can crack plastic. Reinstall the plastic cover or cap by snapping it into place. Finally, check the visor's movement, rotation, and any lights to confirm everything works before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.